guys. Yeah, it's rather cold out here now, so I'm obviously not going to be riding. Yeah, I'll start riding again once it gets warm. But for now, I'll just do the moto vlog in my car here. It's a 2005 Mini Cooper. I gotta say, I like this little car. Everybody at work was asking me about how it would do in the snow, and this thing has got traction control, and I gotta say, it does awesome. So far, it's been great. But anyways, guys, I hope you had a Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and I hope things go very well for all you guys this year. I've been working a little bit on my new scooter I got. I got an alarm for it I got to put on, and what else did I get? I got the handlebar mount for the cell phone again, like I have on all my other bikes. I got to put that on. I haven't started that bike yet even. I don't plan on doing it till summer because I don't want to have gas sitting in it all winter, so I decided I'll just leave it the way it is for now. It's sitting inside the house right now, so I could do little odds and ends of things to it, like change the gas line and stuff like that. I don't think I'm a big board or anything. It's already 150cc. Maybe in the future I might, but I don't know. We'll see. I think if I go bigger, I might just buy another motor. I might buy I think it's a 230 something, if I want to go bigger. So we'll see. The Vader, I got back out in the shed again. I tried to put an extended swing arm kit on it, and the swing arm extension fit fine. The part I had a problem with was the lowering part of it for dropping it. There was numerous problems. One, the way how the swing arm mount for the shock is put on the Vader is kind of just the opposite of what a Grom is. So the lowering thing they gave me would not work on it for lowering the shock. So that was a problem, and plus the way the battery box is on the Vader, the shock won't go at the right angle to let me drop it. So I don't know if any of you guys have any ideas on that, how to fix that so I can lower it and I can put a swing arm on it. Let me know. Other than that, guys, I haven't been doing too much, just working all the time. Yeah, that's about it, just working. I will be back in the spring again, so don't you guys worry, I will be coming back again. I might be posting some more odd little videos like this one. We'll see. I had to take my car to the car wash. I might post a clip on that. We'll see if I can edit that in somehow. The salt around here is just so nasty, guys. It tears up your car so fast. You see these people buying the new Ford trucks and the Chevy trucks, and it seems like within 5 years the rocker panels are falling apart, from all the salt. I don't know, that's why I have trouble buying a new car living around here. It's like I keep saying, if I lived in Arizona, I probably would. This car right here, 2005 Mini Cooper, it's got 189,000 miles on it, and this thing still runs like a champ. I put a new exhaust on it this year. I put a Megan Racing exhaust on it, stainless steel, so it'll outlast the life of this car now. My alarm's going off, but I don't see no cop. But sometimes they sit on the side of the road up here, but I doubt they'll be doing that here in the winter. Too lazy, too cold outside. They don't want to actually have to do their job when it's cold outside, and I don't blame them for that, honestly. I hate the cold too. I sure hope this camera angle's okay. We'll see. I'm just wearing the little head strap thing for my camera. I forgot my microphone, like I said, so it's probably going to be a little muffled. Yeah, guys, I'm super excited about 2018 because now I'll have the Vader to drive, the Zummer. The Zummer is just the way it was in the last video since I put the new motor in. The thing ran awesome. I'm expecting it to run just as awesome all next summer. You know, I got the Zummer, I got the Mad Dog for next year, and I also got my Honda Arrow to drive too. And like I said, I'll be using that more for like when me and my friend goes out riding, you know, because we go for, you know, we'll go out for lunch or something like that, or we'll go on a longer trip, so it'll be more appropriate for that. And that way I'm not working the little 125s and the 50cc, you know, and even my new 150 Mad Dog, you know, I won't be working those motors so hard, you know, going on longer trips. And I won't have to keep it full throttle constantly, so that'll be good. So one thing good about having a regular motorcycle is you can keep up with everybody else if you need to. But yeah, guys, I'm hating this weather. You guys want to start a GoFundMe to move me to Arizona? Be my guest. Just joking, guys. But I do want to go to Arizona someday. In the meantime, there's other people to watch in YouTube, you know. You got people who live in Florida. You got Photogrammer. I believe Fooligan lives in Nebraska like Grommy Bear does. So, but they seem like they're still making videos. They got a little bit more guts than I do. I am not driving in the winter time. Not unless they come out with a heated jacket, helmet, gloves, socks, pants, everything else that can keep me about 80 degrees. Then maybe it'd be a possibility. Oh, shit. But yeah, guys, I'm almost home. So I'm gonna let you guys go. Peace out, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Take care, and thanks for sticking with me for, you know, for now that I, you know, like I said, I'm not gonna be posting much videos, so thanks for sticking with me and subscribing and everything. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.